Hello, so today I'll be showing you how I make peanut butter bread with the Tesco Bread Maker. Now the full list of ingredients as well as instructions is in the description down below, so be sure to check it out. The great thing about the bread maker is that everything is automated, and this includes the kneading process. And over here we have the star of the ingredient, peanut butter. I only add in the peanut butter once the initial batch of ingredients has been kneaded into a dough. Again, I can't stress how easy it is to make bread with a bread maker. You put everything inside, and about 2 hours later, you have a loaf of bread. And here it is, my peanut butter bread. It's soft and fluffy, and the great part is everything is automated. Thanks for watching.